Hi, I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade energy bars with protein powder. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1½ cups of quick oats, ½ cup of sunflower seeds, ½ cup of crushed almonds, ½ cup of crushed walnuts, 4 tablespoons of your favorite protein powder, ½ cup of honey, and ½ cup of melted peanut butter. These energy bars are super simple to make. The first step to this recipe is to add all of our dry ingredients, so the nuts and the protein powder and the oats, into one bowl. Now we're going to give the dry mixture a quick mix before we add our last 2 ingredients. Now we're going to add our peanut butter and honey to the dry mixture until this forms one solid ball. Honey. Peanut butter. Now that our energy bars formed one solid ball, we're going to go ahead and take it and press it into an ungreased pan. You want to press the mixture firmly in the pan and make sure it covers all of the edges. Once you're done, you're going to refrigerate the mixture for up to 60 minutes. Now that the energy bars have been refrigerated for about 60 minutes, they're looking great. We're going to now cut them into small squares, and you can package them for an on-the-go treat or snack. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make energy bars with protein powder.